In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Smartsheet Error Code 48 quickly and easily. If you're seeing this error while trying to access a sheet, update data, or collaborate with your team, don't worry. This is usually a permissions or account issue, and it can be resolved in just a few minutes. I'll walk you through each step so you can get back to work without frustration. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes and tutorials. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is check your access level in Smartsheet. Error code 48 is most commonly triggered when your permission level isn't high enough to perform a certain action. So open the sheet that's giving you the error. Once the sheet loads, click on the Share button in the top right corner. This will open the sharing panel where you can see who has access to the sheet. Now look for your email address in the list. Next to your email, you'll see your permission level: viewer, commenter, editor, or admin. If you're listed as a viewer or commenter, that's likely the reason you're seeing error code 48, especially if you're trying to edit rows, update columns, or make structural changes. In that case, you'll need higher access. That brings us to step 2. Ask the sheet owner to upgrade your permission level. If you're not the owner or an admin, you won't be able to change your own access, so contact the sheet owner directly. You can send them a quick message and ask to be upgraded to editor or admin access, depending on what you need to do. Once they update your permissions, refresh the sheet and try again. In most cases, this immediately resolves Smartsheet Error Code 48. If you already have the correct permissions and you're still seeing the error, move on to step 3. Log out and log back in again. Sometimes Smartsheet sessions can glitch or fail to update your latest access changes. To do this, click on your profile icon in the top right corner, select Log Out, then close your browser completely. Reopen your browser, go back to Smartsheet, and sign in again. This refreshes your session and forces Smartsheet to sync your current permissions properly. Next, step 4. Make sure you're using the correct account. This is a very common issue, especially if you have multiple email addresses, for example, a personal account and a work account. You might have access to the sheet on one account but not the other. Check the email address you're currently logged in with by clicking your profile icon. If it's not the one that was granted access to the sheet, log out and sign in with the correct account. Once you're in the right account, open the sheet again and test it. In summary, Smartsheet Error Code 48 is almost always related to permissions or account access. Check your access level, request an upgrade if needed, log out and back in, and confirm you're using the correct account. One of these steps will usually fix the problem within minutes. If this video helped you fix Smartsheet Error Code 48, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet tips, troubleshooting guides, and easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.